Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity for 2024, 2025 as well as 2026 pass out batch. So first important opportunity from iValua and they are hiring the run integration intern. So 2026 as well as 2025 batch both can apply and you can go through complete roles and descriptions. So at Valva we are currently looking for run integration intern. You will be reporting to run manager of the technical customer support team and you will be responsible for managing customer relationship, that is CRM. So what are the technical requirements? So you should have some knowledge of CS, .NET and SQL and develop maintain RESTful API and maximum 6 months of internship experience in software development primarily in CS, .NET and SQL Server. Maximum आपका 6 month internship experience अगर है then this will be a good things, and if you don't have then also you can apply, but if you have experience more than that then you are not eligible for this profile. So currently they are looking from the BE, BTech or master degree in computer science or closely related field. Okay, means इससे related जो भी है domain, they all are eligible. Soft skill you will be require that excellent verbal and communication skill and client relationship establishment. Okay, coming to next important opportunity from the stable money, they are hiring SD internship and job location is Bangalore. This is also a intern position, so 2026 can apply as well as 2025 can also apply. So requirement: sound knowledge and applications of algorithm and data structure, means you should be good at data structure, proficient in Java, Spring Boot and MySQL, and able to efficient diagnose bug issue. So these are the some things. I will provide all the job link in the description. You can directly apply. Talking about the stipend, so 35 to 50,000 stipend you will get, and this is a good hiring. So everyone should apply and don't miss this opportunity. Make sure to share all this important opportunity with your friends too. Coming to next important from Fujitsu, they are hiring financial year 2026, means for financial year 2026 and multiple locations in country. So these are the job location: Pune, Chennai, Noida, Bangalore and Hyderabad. So must have good communication skill, both written as well as spoken, learning aptitude, flexibility, should be willingly to comply with all organizational policy. Now graduation year, so 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 as well as 2025 batch only. They are only eligible, and you should have degree from the government recognized basically organization, and you should have provisional degree certificate. So if you are eligible for all this, then make sure to apply. Coming to next important opportunity, that is they are hiring for technical freshers and bachelor degree are eligible, and you should have proficient in Java. So if you are interested, then you can just fill their form. Coming to next important opportunity from iCore Software Technology, and they are hiring for the Coimbatore location, and duration is 6 months. So you will work on test web and software applications. You will find report and bugs. So if you are interested, you can share resume to this mail ID. Coming to next important opportunity, but before moving to that, friends, if you are selected for any company interview, then I will suggest you can fill our mock interview form. That will really beneficial for you and it will give you confidence in real interview. So if you want, you can fill our form. Moving to next important opportunity, so Spantech, they are hiring for the role. Okay, and you should have a knowledge or exposure to Apex, SOQL and LWC, mean that is from the Salesforce. Means अगर आपने Salesforce में internship या कुछ किया, then this is a good opportunity. You can mail your CV to them. Okay, next important opportunity from, and they are hiring, that is for software testing engineer, and company name is Omifast Technology. So B, BTech, MCA, MSc all are eligible, and skills required, that is manual testing, automation testing, Selenium, bug tracking tools, and these all things. So if you are interested, you can share your CV to them. This is also a good hiring, so everyone should apply. And friends, currently IBM on campus associate system engineer hiring is going on, and I've already provided you update related to that. So if you haven't gone through it, then go. And if you are waiting for off campus, then just wait for some more few days. Whenever it will be announced, I will provide you update. And soon NQT and Cognizant off campus hiring announced will be announced. So keep applying and keep basically studying for the upcoming hiring, because that will be a mass hiring, and don't miss those opportunity. And for this, that is the Deutsche Bank, I have already provided you update on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't applied for it, then go and apply. Freshers are eligible. Okay, coming to last important opportunity from Calories, they are hiring the intern software engineering, and this is a full-time role. So means you will working as intern and job location is Chennai. So if you are comfortable with all these things, go through complete job link in description and make sure to apply. Hope this video informative to you. If you want to get such important job update, you can subscribe us and you can join our WhatsApp Telegram group. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.